Before you decide to buy Warmy.io, there are 7 crucial things you need to know that can impact your decision, especially when compared to other tools in the market. Whether you're in digital marketing or looking for software to help automate and personalize communication, this video is your go-to guide. Stay tuned because by the end, you'll have a clear picture of whether Warmy.io is the right tool for your business. Now, you might be wondering if Warmy.io lives up to the hype. The good news? You can try it for completely free by clicking the first link below. But let's dive into what you should consider before buying. First, Warmy.io offers unique features when it comes to personalized communication. While platforms like ActiveCampaign or MailChimp excel in email automation, Warmy.io takes things a step further by focusing on personalized, warm, and human-like interactions. Their system is designed to engage customers with conversational AI that mimics real human responses. This can be a huge game changer for businesses looking to create a more personal connection with their clients. While some competitors are still using rigid, templated responses, Warmy.io lets you build a deeper rapport with your audience. Next, let's talk about ease of use. If you've tried other platforms like HubSpot or Zapier, you know how overwhelming complex dashboards can be. One of Warmy.io's biggest advantages is its intuitive user interface, designed for both beginners and experienced marketers. Unlike other tools that require hours of training or onboarding, Warmy.io's setup process is streamlined, allowing you to integrate your communication channels quickly. It's built with simplicity in mind, and for those who want to start automating with minimal hassle, this can be a major benefit. The third thing you need to know is how Warmy.io stands out in terms of customer support. While some software companies offer standard ticket-based support, Warmy.io provides personalized customer service with a focus on resolving issues promptly. They also offer dedicated support for businesses using their AI-driven tools. This level of commitment to customer success is something that's often missing in the more automated support systems of competitors. If you're someone who values direct communication when troubleshooting, Warmy.io support is a strong selling point. Moving on, let's talk about pricing. Pricing for Warmy.io can be a concern for some, especially when comparing it to other tools that offer basic email automation for a lower price. But here's the thing, Warmy.io's value proposition is its AI-driven communication features, which make it worth the investment if you're serious about scaling personalized customer interactions. Their plans are flexible, with options designed for startups all the way to larger enterprises. The real advantage comes when you look at the ROI. By streamlining communication and improving engagement, many businesses see a significant uptick in conversions. The fifth thing to consider is integration. Whether you're using Shopify, WordPress, or other common platforms, Warmy.io offers a seamless integration process. This is a huge advantage compared to some competitors that have limited or clunky integration with popular e-commerce tools. If you're already using other software to manage your business, you'll appreciate how Warmy.io connects with your existing systems, making it easier to incorporate AI-powered communication into your workflow without a huge learning curve. The sixth point is about scalability. As your business grows, so do your needs. While some tools are great for small businesses but fall short as you scale, Warmy.io is built to scale with you. You won't have to worry about outgrowing the platform. With advanced AI features and the ability to manage large volumes of interactions, Warmy.io is ideal for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises looking to automate their customer communication efficiently. Finally, Warmy.io stands out with its analytics. While some competitors offer basic tracking features, Warmy.io provides deep insights into customer behavior, engagement, and performance metrics. This data is vital for marketers who want to refine their strategies and optimize customer journeys. Whether you're tracking open rates, response times, or conversion rates, Warmy.io's detailed reports give you the clarity needed to make data-driven decisions. So what does this all mean for you? If you're serious about growing your business with personalized AI-driven communication, Warmy.io could be the perfect tool. You've learned about its unique advantages, intuitive design, scalability, and support. Now, if you want to try it for yourself, make sure to click the first link in the description. By signing up through that link, you'll get access to the best free trial and some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out on the chance to take your business communication to the next level with Warmy.io.